latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Hello, you're watching News 9 Digital. I'm Abhijit Singh Bhamra, and today I'll be talking to you whether Indian cricket is going through its best time as far as leadership is concerned. Is there a problem of plenty as far as the cricket captaincy is concerned of the national men's cricket team? Also, who has pointed out the differences between top 3 Indian cricketers, or rather captains, in the form of MS Dhoni, Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli, and who knocks out the other? Who is telling all these things? I'll tell you all this and more in this video. Not just in terms of talent, but Team India is also facing problem of plenty as far as the leadership is concerned. Now, I will go there in a bit, but in the meantime, let me bring to you as to who has said the major differences between MS Dhoni, Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli in terms of captaincy. Well, he is Team India's discarded wicketkeeper batsman Parthiv Patel. So without further ado, let me present to you what he has said about MS Dhoni, the captain cool.
I think MS Dhoni knows completely about every player's potential and what all can be extracted out from him. We talk about giving your 100%, but every player's level of 100% varies. So, Dhoni knows what a potential of a player is and he brings that out. He lets them play in their own style and gives them space to express themselves.
Now, Parthiv Patel was a part of Chennai Super Kings way back in 2009 and 2010, but from there he moved to Mumbai Indians, where he found someone like Rohit Sharma and also was a part of 2-time IPL winning champions team for Mumbai Indians.
Rohit plans really well. At bowlers meet, he is completely involved. He figures out how to use the information that has been given to him and which player can be used in what role. He is a master in figuring that out. He has improved a lot over the years, starting from 2014 to now. If you look at him, at man management, Dhoni and Rohit are really good at.
After Mumbai Indians decided to release him, it was the turn of Royal Challengers Bangalore to grab the pocket dynamite, Parthiv Patel. He also has seen Virat Kohli from close quarters, but he was also a part of Team India during England's tour to India in 2016, and he was a wicketkeeper batsman. So what does he feel about Virat Kohli? Take a look.
Virat has different style of captaincy. He likes to be right in front every time. He likes to lead from front and be aggressive all the time. It is his style and it has suited him. Dhoni and Rohit keeps the dressing room calm, while Virat makes sure that everyone is on their toes and they all keep pushing themselves.
These are the 3 captains who have also led the Blues as well. So I'll start off with MS Dhoni and Virat Kohli in particular, because these are the guys who have led India in Test cricket as well. Well, as far as Test cricket is concerned, MS Dhoni led Team India between 2008 and 2014. He was a part of Team India in 90 Test matches. Out of those, 60 were as captain, and he has enjoyed a win percentage of exact 45. One cannot ignore the fact that he is the best Indian captain across all formats for Team India, be it Test, be it ODIs, or be it the T20 internationals. And he also led Team India to #1 rankings in Test match cricket. So there are laurels against his name, and one hardly can see beyond MS Dhoni as far as getting those IPL titles, getting those ICC titles to the Team India's cabinet. So he was someone who not just taught India how to win matches, but also to win big tournaments. Well, talking about Virat Kohli, he took over from MS Dhoni in Test cricket in 2014-2015 season. From there on, it has been a wonderful ride, at least in Test match cricket for Virat Kohli, where he has just decimated all the opponents. He has won in England, he has won in South Africa, he has won in Australia. By that I mean a Test match, and also who can forget the 2018-19 Test series victory down under remains as the biggest highlight of his career. The only downside is that he hasn't won an ICC title yet, but leading India to 2017 Champions Trophy final and also 2019 semi-final, he's just there and thereabout, but his record in bilateral series is absolutely exceptional. Let's talk about the third option now, which is Rohit Sharma. Well, Rohit Sharma is mostly a stopgap captain for Team India. Whenever Virat Kohli has decided to take a break, it is almost inevitable that Rohit Sharma will lead Team India. He enjoys an excellent record so far in ODIs and T20s, because as I said, he hasn't captained India in Test match cricket, but Whatever job or whatever duties have been given to him, he has done it beautifully, be it winning the Nidhas Trophy in Sri Lanka, be it leading India to Asia Cup victory in 2018 or even the bilateral series. His record stands out. And also one shouldn't forget that under him, Mumbai Indians has won the IPL 4 times, the most by any captain, also surpassing MS Dhoni in the process. For example, MS Dhoni just gave the captaincy to Virat Kohli, which has never happened in Indian cricket. And now Virat Kohli is running the Indian cricket at this point of time. He's at the helm of affairs. He's the one who gets criticized for the losses. He's the one who gets all the praise after Team India's victory. But at the end of the day, there is someone called Rohit Sharma just behind him who he knows that if a bad season or two, then his captaincy might also be gone, and not just of the present. If I just tell you about the records which all these 3 gentlemen enjoys in each format of the game, then it will tell you that they are absolutely exceptional as far as leadership is concerned.
Virat Kohli is already the most successful Indian Test captain with 33 wins from 55 matches and enjoys a win percentage of exact 60. He is the only captain to win a Test match in England, South Africa and Australia. He took over from MS Dhoni in December 2014, who captained India in 60 tests and tasted victories on 27 occasions, with a win percentage of exact 45. Rohit is yet to lead India in Test cricket, and with Virat Kohli at the helm and Ajinkya Rahane as the deputy, it looks highly unlikely that he will lead India in Test cricket. Virat Kohli, MS Dhoni and Rohit Sharma have all led India in ODIs. Virat Kohli is the current Indian skipper and enjoys an excellent win percentage of over 71 after leading India in 89 matches. MS Dhoni is a standout with 200 matches as ODI skipper and has registered wins in over 100 matches with a win percentage of exact 59.52. Rohit Sharma has been the stopgap captain for Team India in 50-over cricket but has won 8 out of the 10 matches he has led the Blues. When it comes to T20 internationals, Rohit Sharma's record stands out with 16 wins from 20 matches. He has been brilliant in the shortest format of the game and is followed by Virat Kohli when it comes to win percentages. Kohli has won 22 out of the 37 matches and has suffered 11 defeats. MS Dhoni is the longest serving captain in T20s with 72 matches. 41 of those have come in a winning cause for the Blues and in the process has enjoyed a win percentage of over 59.
Be it ODIs, be it T20 internationals or even Test matches, Virat Kohli, Rohit Sharma and MS Dhoni have served Indian cricket well, and MS Dhoni might be over with his career as far as international career is concerned, but with Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli in the thick of things for at least few years now, Indian cricket is definitely in safe hands. Since the time MS Dhoni has taken, there has been a smooth transition as far as leadership is concerned. So do you think that Indian cricket is in the best health as far as leadership is concerned? Do send in your feedback and comments and I'll be waiting for that eagerly. In the meantime, do not forget to subscribe to News9 Digital across all social media platforms.